they've got a race car set here too. Store, and we're going up to a train store. Look at the trains up here. All right, all the way to the top. All the way to the top. And now we're coming into the train room. Okay, here we are. Yep. All right. There you go. All right.
Another thing, our pre-order and layaway policy has changed. Oh yeah.
Halloween. Halloween.
Halloween. Wow, look at all those train cars.
What is this button?
I don't know. I don't know if they do anything. They might not do anything. So you'll have to ask them if the trains still run. I don't know if their trains run or not.
Train still run?
Wow. There it comes. What do you think of that little steam engine? And look, it's got smoke too.
Look at that diesel.
Yeah, there goes the diesel.
It's an army diesel.
Yeah. She said all the cool stuff is already out here, okay? So stay out here and let's look. What do you see there? Is that the train we saw yesterday, the Acela?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's HO gauge. That's not Lionel size. Right. All right. There it comes. There it comes. Well, they got a lot of trains here, don't they? What do you think of all that?
Hey, the light turns.
Yeah, the light turns. What do you think of that light turning? Oh, when you push the button, the light turned. Okay. So that was this button?
Yeah.
So what does this button do then? Is that the light over here by the... Look, this one makes the crossing signal work. Look. Try that one out. Push it hard. Hold it. There he goes. All right. All righty. There it goes. That's a little tiny train, isn't it?
Promise.
Okay, we'll put it back in there. That's flex track, yeah. All right. Spray painted it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, look, it is. It's supposed to look like somebody spray painted it. You're right. Here's another one down here. See, the coil card's got spray paint on it. Well, they got a lot of trains here, hon.
Another spray paint car.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep.
Here, it's right there, rusty.
I see that. Yeah, it's rusty too. Wow. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and buy our stuff, okay?
Look at this car.
Yeah, Gunderson double stack. Okay. Now where are you going to? Okay, we're going out the door.
Why not?
What do you see there?
Those magazines.
Those aren't magazines, aren't free though. All right, we're walking down the stairs. We're walking down the stairs. There's lots of stuff in here, huh?
That's on there.
Yeah,
It's old. It's old.
it's old stuff. All right. Morning, Colton.
Good morning.
Do you know where you are today? Have you ever been to this store?
No.
This is called Nicholas Smith Trains. We're in Havertown, Pennsylvania, and let me show you. All right, there's a real railroad crossing. Give me thumbs up. All right, check it out. Really old railroad crossing, and here's the sign for Nicholas Smith Trains and K&G Speed Associates.
And
There's a steam engine, and they used to race out of here. K&G Speed Associates sponsored a couple of funny cars and dragsters back in the 70s. That's long gone. The speed shop is no longer there, but they still do the toys and trains. So we're going to go inside.
I want to buy toys.
All right, let's go. The train. Kind of an overcast day today, but hey, what's that thing? Is that a giant man from the Nutcracker? Oh my gosh! They've got a toy store here on this section too, with giant Legos. In the window, a model of the Titanic. Now, I don't know how much this costs in Lego Land, but certainly no less than a couple of $100. What happened to your arm? Where's your arms at? You silly boy. All right, we are in the back of K&G Speed Associates. And the garage and race car places, they're all gone now. No speed shop anymore. That's all shut down. Cemetery back here. This is where they would have kept the racing program. The trailer at that time would have been ramp trucks. But anyway, we're waiting for K&G. We're waiting for Nicholas Smith Trains to open at noon. All right, we are in the basement of Nicholas Smith Trains and Toys. And these are all the toys here. Lots of stuff in here too. Legos. Track they test with. A lot of cool collectible style cars here. You found trains? All righty, let's take a look and see. Show me the trains.
Look. Come here.
I'm coming. What do you see there? Oh, okay. So they've got some Williams trains down here. Okay.
Hey, look at this one across.
Yeah.
Come here, lamp car.
Oh, what do you got there? A Lincoln log train set. Wow.
Come here.
What do you see there?
This train.
A Batman train. Wow.
That can crash.
lots of slot car stuff here. There's slot car racers.
Cars running.
Nope, there's no cars running on it right now. That's pretty cool.
They're trying to build it.
No, I think it's built. They've got a race car set here too. You see a train?
Right here.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go upstairs and see the big trains before we do anything else, okay?
Come here.
Oh, that's cool stuff.